Here comes the tractor. Tractor. Beep, beep, beep. Can sheep go in the tractor? Okay, sheep go in. Whoa.
Oh no! Sheep.
Beep, beep, beep.
Tractor.
Here's the tractor.
Look. Okay.
Beep, beep, beep. We can put wagon on.
Look. It's working. Wagon.
You got the blue wagon. Let's put green wagon on.
Jump.
Green wagon. Push
A
on
little faster track.
the tractor.
A little motor car sound.
Was it sunny? Yes.
Wow,
It's
sunny sound.
the sun is out. It is sunny outside. You're right. Yeah, bring the windmill. Can you show Daddy how do we spin? Doing everything first. Should we spin? Spin.
Oops. Oops.
That's it. Can we spin the windmill? Spin! Spin! Spin. Spin. Good job, Mandy. Windmill is spinning. Spin, spin. I think the animals are ready for a nap. Should they go night-night? Night-night, animals. Let's put them to sleep. Sleep. Night-night, chicken. Night-night, sheep. Oh, night-night, cow. And goat. Night-night, roosters. Is everyone sleeping? Wake! Wake up! Wake up! The rooster is going to wake everyone up. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo, rooster! Wake up, everyone!
Hey,
Wake up! Wake up, bunny! Rooster! How many roosters do we have, Mandy?
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3 roosters. How many wagons? 2 wagons. 2 blue wagons.
1, 2, 2 wagon.
Good. 2 blue wagons. 1 green wagon. Are we going to push wagon? Push wagon. Beep, beep, beep. Push.
Oh, get sheep.
Look, sheep is in the wagon.
More.
Bunny is in the wagon. I want to go inside the barn. Knock, knock, knock. Open door. Open door. Sheep will go in the barn. Clean up, everybody. Oh, it looks like a hat. I know, my last kid thought that was a hat too, but that's just a cone. Everybody, everywhere, clean up. Yes, clean up tracks. Now we have to say bye-bye to the animals. Bye, chicken. Bye, rooster. Bye-bye, animals. Bye, bunny. Good job. Bye, horse. Bye, goat. Ooh, we forgot one. One sheep is inside. Hi, sheep. Bye, cow. Good job, Mandy. Any clothes box?
Hi, the house.
That's the barn, yes.
Run.
Barn. E-I-E-I-O, yes. Can you close? Oh, close box.